Hello, I'm Jenny Walker and I'm a soprano, which is the highest type of female operatic voice. I work for Welsh National Opera as a vocal animateur, which is someone who helps and encourages other people to sing and enjoy music. I'd like to talk to you about something that can be a little bit confusing, and that is the difference between beat and rhythm. What I'd like you to do is put your hand here, like this. Now, if you've been running around, running a race, your heart might be beating really fast. Or maybe if you've just woken up from a long, lovely sleep, your heartbeat will be all slow and relaxed. But your heart is not going to go like this. The beat of a piece of music is just like your heartbeat. It's a steady pulse that carries on going. Could be fast, could be slow. The rhythm is the pattern of how long and short notes fit together. We're going to use a piece of music that I'm sure you all know already to try this out. Oh, the grand old Duke of York, he had 10,000 men. He marched them up to the top of the hill and he marched them down again. Okay, this time I'd like you to join in with me. Here we go, after three. 1, 2, 3. Oh, the grand old Duke of York, he had 10,000 men. He marched them up to the top of the hill and he marched them down again. Brilliant. Now, this time we're going to clap the beat while we sing. Let's set the beat up first. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, the grand old Duke of York, he had 10,000 men. He marched them up to the top of the hill and he marched them down again. Fantastic. So that time you could see that some of the places where we had words had a beat that fell at the same time, and sometimes we had notes that fell in between where the claps were on the beats. So this time we're going to sing again and we're going to clap the rhythm, which is going to fit exactly with the words as we sing them. After 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, the grand old Duke of York, he had 10,000 men. He marched them up to the top of the hill and he marched them down again. Brilliant. So you can see how the rhythm and the beat are two different things, and maybe next time your teacher asks you, this little trick will help you to remember which is which. Thank you for joining in, and if you've enjoyed this video, why not go and try out some of our other exercises?